Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up your HP LaserJet 4000 series printer on your Windows device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is open up a web browser, and into Google search, you want to search for HP Easy Start. And one of the best results should be an HP support page. This is HP Easy Start software and driver downloads, and it should be hosted on HP support website right here. Open that up, and then expand the installation software and driver section, and select the HP Easy Start printer setup software download. Give it a moment to download, and then open up that file once it's downloaded to your system to extract it. And then it should be a user account control prompt that opens up. Select yes. And now just proceed with the on-screen wizard here of letting it detect your printer. Make sure it's turned on, and then just give it a moment to begin initialize here. And that's pretty much all you have to do. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.